my dear children, welcome back once again to your mathematics class. Children, in last session we have seen how to find out the LCM, lowest common multiple. Today we'll see how to find out LCM only by another method, that is with the long division method. So let us try to understand with the example. LCM stands for lowest common multiple. LCM by long division method. Here also you will get minimum 2 numbers or more than 2, 3 and so on. So let us take the example. So 18 and 30. Now here how to find out the LCM with the long division method. Here we have to divide this number together. First step. Always divide with the prime numbers. So children, this 18 and 30 we have to write together. Okay. Like this, in this form. Now, smallest prime number 2. Let us check with the 2, at least one of this number can you divide or not. With 2 you can divide for 18. 2 nines are 18. So, take 2 nines are 18. Now, can you divide 30? Yes. 2 ones are 2 and carry left here. That becomes 10. 2 fives are 10. Means 2 15s are 30. You can divide. Okay. No problem. Now, again can you divide with the 2? No. 9 also not divisible. 15 also not divisible. Division means what? Exact division. It should be divisible properly with the remainder 0. Then if you cannot divide by 2, then go for next smallest prime number, that is 3. After 2, 3. Then try with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15. Both the numbers you can divide, no problem. Then go for again for 3 only. 3 ones are 3. Can you divide 5 with the 3? No. Then as it is, continue. If you cannot divide any number with that table, then that same number continue. Now, here we got 1, but here we have to divide, and 5 is a prime number. We have to divide with 5 only. So, write here 5 and 5 ones are 5. Till we get here everywhere 1, we have to go on continue with the division of different prime numbers. Okay. Now, next step is what? We have to get the product of this all the factors. That product is called as the LCM of 18 and 30. So, what we have to write? LCM of 18 and 30 is equal to, write the product means multiplication of all these factors, children. So, we have to multiply now. 2 3s are how much? 2 3s are 6. Then 6 3s are 6 3s are 18. 18 5s are 90. So, LCM of 18 and 30 is 90 by the long division method. Understood? If you are not horizontal, it is not possible to multiply. Vertically, you can arrange like this. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. After 6, again 3 is there. Multiply by 3 is 18. After 18, again next number is 5. 18 5s are 90. Like this also vertically you can do, but don't do any mistake. Horizontally if possible do it, otherwise go for vertical method. But get your correct answer. Multiplication should be properly, children. So arrange like this, and after doing division, whatever the factors you are getting, you have to find out the product of that. That is called as the LCM of a given number by long division method. Maybe the 2 number given or maybe the 3 number given. Let us try with one more example. 140 children. Same step. First write both the numbers together. Then let us start with smallest prime number, that is 2. 2 5s are 10. Carry left here 1. 2 6s are 12. Means with the 2 multiplied by 56 you will get 112. Means you can divide properly. Then again 2 7s are 14. 0 as it is. If like this if it's difficult to understand the division, you can divide like this and check whether you can divide properly or not. 2 5s are 10. Carry left here, take the number down. Then 2 6 is a 12. Exact division, answer is 56. So we have written here 56. But instead of doing every time division, try to do the orally. Divide and get the answer. But division should be exact, children. Okay. Now, let us try again with the 6 only. 2 2s are 4. You can do. Carry left here, it become 16. 2 8s are 16. Means you can divide properly. Now here, 2 3s are 6. Okay. Again carry left here, means it become 10 now. 2 5s are 10. Means you can divide properly. Now, let us move for again. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Now here you cannot divide by 2 because it is 35 number. So write as it is. If you cannot divide as it is, you continue down. Okay children. Then 2 7s are 14. Still you cannot divide by 2. Write as it is. At least one number you can divide, continue. If you cannot divide, go for next prime number. Now, you cannot divide by 2 for 7 also and 35. Then go for the next number, that is 3. Now, can you divide with the 3? Any of this number? Not possible. Then go for 5. You cannot divide for 7, but you can divide for 35. 5 7s are 35. And now, you have to divide with the 7 only. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. Till we get here 1 1, we have to go on continue like this. And now whatever we get here factor, that we have to find out the product of it. So LCM of 112 and 140 is equal to multiple of 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 and 7. Okay. So let us try to get the answer now. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 5s are 80. And 87s are how much? 160. So what we got here answer? 560. So like this we have to multiply 2 multiply by 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 5s are 80, 87s are 560. And this is our LCM of 112 and 140. Understood children? Like this you have to solve and find the LCM by long division method. Let us try with one more example. So solution. Right now all these three numbers together 15, 35, 45 and let us start. Now if you observe here divisibility you have to understand by divisibility by test. So if you see here everywhere it is 5 5. So you cannot divide by 2. Let us try with 3. So 3 5s are 15. 15 you can divide. 35 you cannot divide. So write as it is 35. Now what about the 45? You can divide. 3 1s are 3. You get here carry. This become 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now still you can divide by 3. So 5 you write as it is. Now you cannot divide for 5. 35 also you write as it is. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now can you divide at least a single number by 3? No. Then move for next prime number, that is 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 7s are 35. Again 5 1s are 5. Still one number is left and that is 7. 7 is also a prime number. So you have to divide by 7 only. So 1 as it is, 7 1s are 7 and 1. So everywhere we get here now 1. So up to get every number as a 1 here, you have to go on divide with different prime number. At least minimum one number should be divided in each step. If it is not, go for next prime number. Now, these are the factors we have to multiply and get the product. That will be the LCM of that number. So, LCM of 15, 35 and 45 is equal to, write the product of 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 7 and get your answer. 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 7s are Not understanding? Sidewise do that multiplication and get your answer. 5 7s are 35. 7 4s are 28. 28 31. So we get here 315. So LCM is 315 of 15, 35 and 45. Like this you people have to find out the LCM for 3-digit number also. Maybe the 2, 3 or 4 all arranged together. Start with at least one number should be multiple like that with the prime number. If by 2 not possible, go for 3. Not possible, go for 5, 7 and so on, children. And start with smallest prime number, that is 2. Check whether at least one number you can divide or not. So 2, 3 is 6, you can divide. You can divide for 8 also. 2 4 is 8. You cannot divide 45, so write as it is here. It is not divisible. Still can you divide by 4? Yes. So now 3 you cannot divide. Write as it is. 2 2 is 4. Then 45 you cannot divide. Write as it is. Then still you can divide 2 only. So 3 write as it is. You cannot divide. 2 1s 2. Then write this 45 also as it is. Now you cannot divide a single number by 2. Go for next prime number, that is 3. 3 1s 3. 1 as it is. 3 1s 3 and 3 5s 15. So 15 3s 45 we get. Still you can divide by 3. So 1 1 and 3 5s 15. Now you cannot divide by 3. Go for 5 only. So 1 1 and 5 1s 5. So here we get all everywhere 1. So now we can write LCM of 6, 8 and 45 is equal to, write all the factors, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 and multiply by 5, and find out the product of all this number. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 3s 24, 24 3s 72, 72 5s. Then you can do here 72 5s and get your answer. 5 2s 10, 7 5s 35 plus 1 36. So here we get answer 360 is the LCM for 6, 8 and 45. Like this you people have to solve the 3 numbers LCM by long division method. When you people are finding the product, if the big number is there, orally you cannot multiply. Rough side you can multiply with the vertical form, get the answer and you can write here. Understood? Okay. Children, we have finished here our multiple and factors chapter. Go through all the different topics from this and practice it. So today we'll wind up our session here. Next time with new topic. Till then, bye-bye. Stay safe. Take care, children.